come hear the one where they happen now. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Nigeria government don drop the terrorist charge against the leader of Miyetti Yala. No be small thing o. As they drop am, na court come discharge the man. As we dey talk right now, the man na free man. A person wey im boys dey carry cow enter inside villages, dey buy people anyhow, and dey come outside dey make threat, dey talk so many things wey im go do the people wey dey buy food. Nigeria government don leave am. Then now Biafra took to social media and tell Ndigbo wey no dey believe say this country are not for them, say una don see am. No be small thing o. As we dey talk right now, they say that the IPOBs are preparing to observe the Heroes Day, which is tomorrow being 30th. As that one dey happen, they say the governor of Imo State, Enugu, and other states for inside southeast don come outside come make statement to say that tomorrow will never be sit at home for any reason. No be small thing o. Things are happening. However, I go bring you the news one by one. Then the attorney general don come outside, dey come talk say he no know who be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that Showere case na small case, that's why he leave am. That Nnamdi Kanu case na tough case and he no go leave am. My people, he don red this country. However, I'm going to bring you the video, may you watch them before we will jump to another update. Welcome back to Balabas. Please share this video, watch the video when this attorney general made this statement before we jump into the many things we will get to talk today.
Okay, the issue of these soldiers that you mentioned, efforts are on. You know, it is not, investigation is the most difficult thing to do anywhere in the world. I assure you that it may be slow, but it is sure we will get there. Then somebody asked something about Kanu and Showore. They are not the same. Up till now, if I see Showore, I don't know him. If I see Nnamdi Kanu, I don't know him. But I called for the files of the two people. They are not the same. When I felt, well, this one should go, I had no hesitation. It didn't give me any difficulty, but I have a difficulty in respect of the other one. And he's been held under the rules and laws of the nation. And I know that it's now in court. Let's wait for the decision of the court. Then, in respect of the arrest, you say, of journalists, I don't like the coloration. We are the same. We are together. We don't distinguish whether somebody is journalist or not journalist. What we look at is the offense or the allegation. And it doesn't mean that you have been convicted or found guilty or culpable of the allegation made against you. All that is required is, we have so thing against you, just profile explanation. And you go. And let me assure you that no one will be held outside the laws of the country. In respect of the various cases at the police station, I can't remember the number of cases that I have instructed should be terminated. And it got to such an extent that somebody came to me and said, oh, they are taking note of the number of people you have released, so you have to be careful. I said, in case you finished exhausting the notebook where you are putting this, I will supply you with more. So it's not about that, it is about, you look at the facts. If they don't justify, you let the person go. You don't rationalize justice, you dispense it. And the difference between the two is obvious. When you rationalize, you now say, maybe somebody will say this, somebody will say that. That is not the issue. You look at, if 100 people are deserving of being released, you release them. If you commit another offense, that's an entirely different matter. But I want to say, you know, the other time I said, then that of Ndume is strictly an affair between the judiciary and those who go there. But note that the purpose of punishment is usually to correct and not to destroy. Once you learn your lesson, it is up to the authorities to say, well, okay, you have done this, you can go. In respect generally about the administration of justice, the president has done well. I'm sorry, it's a pity that I'm on this side of the divide, but my reaction wouldn't have been any different if I were to be on the other side. One, increment in the retirement age of High Court judges from 65 to 70. They said the older or the wine or something, the better it is. That is one. Number two, for the first time in the history of this country, we have the full complements of justices of Supreme Court, 21. If you make recommendations and the president doesn't approve, the matter stops there, stops on his table. And the third in the series is the increment in the revenue, the salaries and emolument. Everything has been done. What remains is little. From 2006 and during, they deserve to be commended and not vilified. Generally, if you look at the budget allocation, at least to my own ministry, there have been a very commendable upsurge. I thank the government and I thank Minister of Budget. Thank you very much for this. Please, next year, you more than double it. Thank you.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As I have watched that video, and I'm going to drop inside this. I might just quickly bring this up there to show you of waiting the currently happen for inside Nigeria. The leader of Fulani herdsmen, where they call Miyetti Yala, they say the man is a free man as we talk right now. Mona see the rate of injustice where they happen. These Fulani herdsmen, they don't buy many people for their village. Even till now, they still buy they go. And the updates what would they get now be say the demand where the herdsmen they make, say they release this man. Now they don't release the man. And this is a very question that every Igbo man have to ask yourself. Is it right time to tell yourself the truth? Why when you come to Igbo something, Nigeria want to show you power? They never defeat us in that particular war, and they can never defeat us even in the future. So why are the Igbos afraid to stand up and tell Nigeria government that this injustice enough is enough? What is that thing you are gaining in a government that you will eat till 200 years? You know you can't reach that number. So why as an Igbo who is in this politicians, you are politicians, why you don't want to leave a legacy so that they will remember you tomorrow? They will measure your name as a people who stand up and fight for the liberation of his own people. Okay, now this Fulani Miyetti Yala leader is free, and Mazi Ndigbo is still in detention. Could you imagine? What a big slap. Okay, let's go to the remembrance of the Heroes Day, which will take place tomorrow, being 30th. Okay, now the governors have come aside to say the reason of Enugu is say they have exam to do tomorrow, and this thing has been announcing for a very long, and you know quite right time that 30th is a day that the Biafrans remember the heroes, the people who fought for this war. Even the governors want to help to wipe out their history. Could you imagine? Okay, let me shock you. When you go to a country like Germany tomorrow, maybe immediately you go there and you want to seek asylum or you want to do anything, first thing German government will, the school they will ask you to go, or even a program, one program they will ask you to go is to go and learn the history of Germany. It's not that you're going to learn it forever. Ask people in Germany this thing that I'm telling you, that attended school in Germany, they will tell them. They explain to you what happened, what Hitler, how did the Hitler start war, what happened in Germany, and why did women have power in Germany. They will explain everything to you. And these governors, this thing is a pure trying to wipe out the history. Let him be said for mad. People have chosen to observe it. So if there's any exam that coming on 30, why can't you people shift it to a Monday? Why can't people shift it to a Monday? Hey, look at this thing is something that we must observe these people that fight. Do you think that if those people do not fight that war, you become a governor? If they have wiped out your family, do you think you or the governor of Imo State, Enugu, or from Sati, you people will become a governor instead of talking of writing an exam? That land will be occupied by Hausas and Yorubas. So we have many reasons to observe it tomorrow. We have many reasons to say, let's honor these people for this day. my people, things dey happen o. I want you to share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates as e dey hot. Please make sure say you are following all our social media handles. We dey for TikTok, we dey for X, we also dey for YouTube na there we dey gidigba. Subscribe to our channel, and immediately we dey for Facebook, Instagram, everywhere we dey, but where we dey active now we dey. So make sure say you follow all our social media handles. Thank you.